All right, guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day today, or maybe you're just starting out your day, maybe you're ending your day, but we're gonna start out day one lesson with a little bit of stretching. You're gonna move your arms like this. Super excited for this series. I'm super excited for you guys to learn how to ride a skateboard and do every trick you've ever wanted to do. See, I'm 41 years old, we gotta move the body. And then we're gonna do some leg kicks. We're gonna start out with the right leg and get those going up into the air. We're gonna do 5 more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go to the left leg. So you wanna do the movement stretches. You wanna get the blood flowing. You never wanna start out on your skateboard, especially if it's cold and you're tired, and then you just step right on that skateboard, because if you fall right then, oh, that's the worst. I'm gonna do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And just a little bit more on the arms. Get that blood flowing. Let's do some circles. I'm not the best workout coach in the world, but don't worry. I know what I'm doing. We're getting you started for your skateboard lesson. Okay, good. So the first thing to understand is that this board has wheels and it is going to roll. So you gotta figure out which foot is most comfortable for you to start rolling on that board. So the first thing is first. So I've had many different people explain different ways about this, but basically the way that I feel works the best is you have to figure out what's natural. So generally speaking, if you were gonna run and slide on ice, you generally would put whichever foot forward. Some people say, oh, I write right-handed, so that means my right foot goes forward, or I write left-handed, so my left foot. I've never seen a direct correlation to that. I write right-handed, I am right foot forward. I've seen people that are left-handed and they skate right foot forward. Does not necessarily mean anything. But if I'm gonna run and slide, which foot am I gonna instinctively put forward? I'm personally gonna put my right foot forward, so I know I'm skating right foot. If you put your left foot forward, you know you're skating left foot. So I want you to work that out real fast. Run, figure out what that is, which direction you're going, right? If it's your left foot forward, you're gonna put your left foot on the board just like that. And the first thing that you're gonna do is just start walking. Left foot forward we call regular, and right foot forward we call goofy. The other thing to understand is it does not matter at all which foot you put forward. It only matters for you to figure out what's more comfortable for you. So if your right foot forward is on there, just start walking, just like that. That's all you're gonna do. So for the first part of this lesson, that's what we're gonna spend your time on. Right foot forward, we're just gonna walk. Now the number one mistake I see people make here is they go straight up. It's really important that you learn early on in your skateboarding that you need to bend your knees. Super key. Another thing I want to say is, before you even get started in on skateboarding, you can wear a helmet, you can wear elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards, all of these things that keep you protected and safe. Very important. Bend the knees, walk. And notice how my foot's there, it's quite stable. It's in this position on the skateboard right around this area, like right here. And it's quite stable there, yeah? So my front foot is just down like that. And then I'm just gonna take a step forward. And notice how I'm bending my ankle, bending my knee, and this knee goes forward. And then I'll push this one forward. And then I'll take another step. So the number one thing again that I see people doing is they're standing up too straight like this. Or they kind of pushing the board like this. Or you don't want to do that. You want one foot in front of the other, just like if you were walking. And you can even like have the board in front of you and give a little walk. That's how you're gonna do it, right? So good, we're gonna spend a little bit of time on that. We're gonna go back and forth. If you're doing this in your garage or just in a random parking lot, whatever, if you have more space, then you can go longer. If you don't, just go back and forth with the space you do have. Okay. You're gonna spend as much time as you need doing that. Don't feel like, oh, I look stupid or this is silly or anything like that. Who cares? You're learning how to ride a skateboard. This is not for them. This is for you. So the other thing I love about skateboarding is it's a personal journey into how you can better improve yourself by riding this thing, and it's all about you. It's not about other people, it's not about competition. Great, so the next step, you're gonna have that foot on there, you're gonna give it a push, and I only want you to start this after you're feeling really comfortable. Helmet on, elbow pads, wrist guards, knee pads, everything. You're gonna give a little push like this, and then you're gonna step on with your back foot. Bend your knees a lot right here. You can also bend at your waist. So you're gonna give it a push, bend your knees, bend at the waist, and just ride. Your first day, all you want to do is this. Get really comfortable. Now, once you feel pretty good on that and you've get your back foot on, what I want you to do is push, put your back foot on, and then turn your front foot like that. Now you're in the riding position. Now you're a skater, you're an official skater now. You're gonna give it a push and bend those knees. You might be thinking, why is he telling me to bend my knees so much? So I want you to bend your knees a lot, because let's say you're riding and you lose your balance and you go down like this. Oh, well, you're basically at that point, you're just sitting down, right? So hopefully you don't lose your balance. Your shoulders width and your feet should be about there, and you should have a good, steady posture. If your feet are really close together, you're definitely gonna fall down. Your feet are further apart, you have more stability, posture is better, balance is better. So keep that in mind. Ideally, your front foot is about just over that front truck, and your back foot goes on and goes over that back truck. You turn, your knees are bent, you're bent at the hips, your shoulders are forward, you're looking in the direction you're going, and you're riding. Always be looking in the direction you're going. Always have your upper body and shoulders forward, and just give it a push. So now we're gonna practice this over and over. Just riding like that, and you're gonna step off, and then you're gonna give it another push. Once you really get this down, where you can push with your back foot, and put your back foot on, and then ride, once you really get that down, you basically have the basics of riding down. And you're just gonna go back and forth and do that as much as you can. So for your first day, for your first 10 minutes, that's all I want you to do. And you're not gonna go on to day 2 until you really get that down. So you can just drop it, put the front foot on, give it a push, bend the knees, bend at the hips, and roll it. Have your upper body forward, have your view, your vision looking forward. Super key, super important. Just like that, give it a roll. See? It's nice and easy. So the biggest mistake people can make on this is if they're leaning back and they give it a push like that, and the board can shoot out forward. Again, like I said, the first thing to understand, this board is on wheels, it rolls. So some people think oh, I'm gonna learn skateboard tricks by putting some things on the wheels that make them not move, various things like that. That can help you learn skateboard tricks for sure, but really what you should do is get very, very comfortable pushing. You wanna roll. You wanna be in motion, you wanna feel that board in motion. In your day 1, you wanna be rolling. Yes, our trick's gonna be scary, but if you got really comfortable rolling, tricks are not scary rolling. You already mastered that. You mastered that rolling as a skill. So again, you're just gonna push, put that back foot on, take the back foot off as needed, and keep it going. Push, step off, push, put the back foot on the board, step off, push, put the back foot on the board, roll around, step off, give it a push. We're gonna keep that going. Just practice that every single day. Give it a push, step off, give it a push. So that's the other thing that you're gonna learn on this lesson is you're learning how to stop. So you're already getting that motion down. You can ride and you can step off with your back foot. So I don't want you to be leaning too far forward, you'll shoot forward, or rather leaning too far back with your upper body back and your board forward, because that's catastrophe in the making going that way. Too far forward, you're rather safe, as long as you are bent at these sections. Bend at the knees, bend at the hips. It's also interesting when you see a skater first starting out, oftentimes they're like, whoa, and then you go bend, and they go like this. like that, and then they go, wow, you instantly look like a skater the second you bend your knees and bend at the hips. And then you're riding like that. Arms out can also help with the balance, yeah? Feel free to do that and be prepared. Be prepared for anything. The other thing I'm gonna briefly cover is if you do fall, when you go down, don't necessarily try and stop yourself. The secret to falling safely on a skateboard is you can sort of roll out of it. So your momentum is going forward. If you were to stick your arm out and say, oh no, stop that, which is very instinctual actually, you can hurt your wrist, you could hurt your elbow. But if you're rolling forward and you roll, you'll just simply roll out of it, right? And then you'll be like, oh, that wasn't so bad. Sort of like a little cartwheel. But ideally, you don't do that at all. You have your knees bent, your helmet's on, elbow pad, knee pad, everything is safe, and you're low. The lower you are, the better your center of gravity, the more safe you are. Let's give that a push. Roll it around. You might be thinking, wow, day one is so boring. Day one, skateboard lesson, the most exciting day of your life because you're getting started on a new journey. It's exciting. Give that push around, yeah? There we go. Feeling good about it. So do this day one as many times as needed until you are so comfortable riding your skateboard. It is very, very, very important. If you need more personalized help, you can always join me on the Braille Skateboarding Academy and link up with me directly on the members only Discord server, and I'll be there to help you out. You can send me videos, questions, whatever you need help with. I hope you guys enjoyed day one. I hope you are dedicating 10 minutes of your day every single day to learning how to ride a skateboard. This is gonna be an amazing journey. I'll see you out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.